Crawfish Fettuccine. That's what I'm going to make today. It's creamy, cheesy, delicious. This particular recipe makes 8 large servings, and it's easily doubled if you have a large crowd. My water has almost come to a boil, and we're going to prepare the fettuccine. I've got about 12 ounces here, and it only takes 2 minutes to cook. Give it a good stir, and it'll be ready in 2 minutes. All right, we're going to start with the butter, and once it's melted, we'll add the vegetables. We'll start with the bell pepper. I like to use tricolor. I don't know. I just like that. Celery, onion. We're going to give this a good stir and let it saute for about 5 minutes. We still want it a little crispy. That looks good. Now we'll add the garlic and saute this for about a minute. All right, the garlic is sauteed for a minute, and now I'm going to add the flour. We're going to give this a good stir and let it cook for about 2 minutes. I'm adding the seasoning, pepper, salt, and cayenne. I've let the flour cook for about 2 minutes. And now I'm adding the half and half. I'm adding a little more than half of it. I'll let it thicken up and then I'll add the rest. I have 2 cups total that we'll add. Once this thickens up, we'll add the cheese and let it melt. All right, I'm adding the cheese. It's processed Velveeta, about 10 ounces. We will let this melt completely, and at that point we will add the crawfish and jalapenos. This looks good. The cheese is completely melted in with the jalapeno. I did seed these jalapenos, and 2 pounds of crawfish tails. All right, we're going to mix this well. These are crawfish tails from Louisiana. They're the best. You can also use shrimp in this dish if you don't care for crawfish tails. Now we're mixing well, and we're going to let this heat all the way through for a few minutes. All right, in with the fettuccine. This is about 12 ounces of fettuccine. We're going to stir this well, let it all mix together, and heat for about 10 minutes, or at least until it's heated through, all the way through. Next, I'm going to add the green onions. I prefer to add them in at the end. I like them to be a little crispy, not like cooked in. All right, now it's time to plate and serve. This is going to be so good. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like. This is the type of content you will find on my channel. If you like cooking videos like this, you should consider subscribing. And ring the bell so you'll always be notified when we post another video. Give this recipe a try. I know you'll enjoy it. Y'all have a blessed day.